How to clean your brush cutter and change the nylon cord ready for winter storage. The following video will guide you through the process of cleaning your Honda brush cutter and changing the nylon cord. You will need work gloves and a soft brush to complete this task. Before you start, make sure the engine switch is in the off position. Remove the cutting attachment and slip plate. To clean the motor case, hold down the release buttons to remove the cutting attachment and slip plate. Then clean the motor case using a soft, dry brush. On the cutting attachment, turn the knob to align the slip marks on the knob and spool. Pull the old nylon line. Insert a new nylon line to the eyelet and push the nylon line so that the top of the line comes out the other side of the eyelet. Pull the nylon line out and adjust the line length so that the length on both sides is the same. Hook the new nylon line into the two opposing eyelets. Turn the knob clockwise to coil the nylon line until each excess line is about 17 centimeters or 6 inches. Once you have cleaned and replaced the nylon cord, store your brush cutter in a shed or garage to protect it from the weather.